tight. Like an IFI are usually the worst.
Howdy! Welcome back. CEOs, Pantera. We are back and I thought I would do a follow-up video.
Didn't have COVID, it's got COVID now.
Well, whenever that was still a thing.
Or at about an inch.
Oh, somebody's gonna tell me that it is still a thing, but... Well, I can't say much because I got it back in August and I was working at the convention, but... Nani, not important. So, I wanted to show you guys how much it can snow here in a fucking day. And well, this one is wet. My floor has stayed dry, so my theory worked. And well, today you can really see it, because well, it's light outside. But yes, yesterday we removed snow downstairs. My back is still dead from that. But here we are, one day later. And we're about half a shovel. So yeah, the joys of Norwegian summer, I tell you. And of course, my back being halfway dead is not helping with any of this. And it did blow last night, because a lot of this has blown inwards. Whew, well, it's still blowing. Ow. This is just minor details, but here we are. Now, this thing is gonna be fun to move. To be honest, this stuff needs to, I need to come out here with the heat gun later and get the ice off of this thing. And get it inside the same, theoretically speaking, the rest of this, and get it downstairs and get the ice out of it, per se. Oh god, Jesus. Need like a broom out here or something. Well, I was saying I was gonna come back, but that was before I realized that the battery has fallen out. I really need to order a new lid for this gosh darn battery hole, heck hole, because the one I had, I managed to lose because I was using it while charging, so I'm gonna get a new lid to this one ordered. But we'll be back in a bit and then take a look how it's looking downstairs after one night per se. Well, I'm sitting here editing. I'm back with an update. I'm gonna have to go downstairs and take care of that today too, cause current situation is snowy and a little bit of wind madness, and we've already regained about 10-15 centimeters of snow. This is madness. Well, I suppose that's a normal day in Norway for you. So yeah, we have some work to do when I'm done editing. Well, hello and welcome back. I was planning to wait with doing this, but I have no choice, to be honest with you. Cause we are experiencing a fucking snowstorm. I kid you not. When I do downstairs, I need to take on me a proper pair of pants. Cause this is madness. I don't even know if I can really have power out there on in this. Well, this one is dry. If you're wondering what we are working with, we're working with this. Oh God, Jesus. So I'll let you be the judge, but I told ya, Norwegian winters can be insanity. I didn't bring my phone. Did I tell you Norwegian winters to be an insanity? Well, you be the judge, my guy. Did I tell you Norwegian winters to be an insanity? Well, you be the judge, my guy. Yes, you be the judge indeed. Lord. Just trying to keep the snow off the balconies. It's insanity. Oh God! And well, it doesn't help that half of it is coming back down from the roof. Oh, like half of it is coming from the fucking neighbor. Well, my bedroom window is officially down in snow. You guys are still on? Yes. Yes, it has found me indeed. It's like I got done editing like one episode. Oh Jesus heaven. That's gonna be fun. Getting down. The roof does stick out, so hopefully most of that is gonna fall down on the actual ground, but to be honest with you, that might land on the balcony. Or some of it at least. Well, I don't know how there's still no snow inside, but here we are. So no, already knew this was going to become an eventual problem. Well, to be honest with you, that was not even half of it, to be honest with you. No, there's still like a lot in the actual chute too, no. Have you know? We should know is this stuff. Well, removing snow from the roof is going very well, you can say. Oh, satan. Oh. Well, folks, it's happening. So, this t-shirt off to exchange it with a more breathable one. There, then hoodie, the correct way around maybe. The tag in the front is removed. Yes. Although it was not stretched. work pants, far from quote unquote rated for water, but here we are. Desperate times calls for desperate measures, ain't that what they say? Well, to be honest with you, I think we can say so. I don't even need to. If I pull you out enough, then I can kinda get her in. Well, wool socks with pants, with work pants. And t-shirt with another sweater on top acquired. Now it's a jacket, a buff, a hood, and well, gloves. Well, so I gotta lift that one up in order to get this one on. Well, that place was quite wet. Melhus elektro. Then GoPro. Tappa here again. Somewhat. There we go. I think that should be. And well, I suppose we are ready to go. And well, I suppose we are ready to go. And well, I suppose. Well, these are still wet inside. And well, that's great. I suppose we are ready to go. Well, and well, I suppose these ones it is. And these are still wet, kind of, but these are drier than the other ones. So at this point, we must just make it work, to be honest with you. Because, well, we don't really have much of another choice, to be honest with you. They have been out here, but it's surely not ideal. Oh, fy fan. Yeah. Oh. Well, I told you The front side would be insanity. I told ya. The front side. Well, here goes nothing. We just gotta get out. Okay, there it is. Well, I have aside from moving that snow out of the way, which I am gonna have to do, I've gotten the main entrance where they are kinda out. It was all the way up to the door. So yeah, now I'm going to spend some time cleaning around here, then work my way out there. Well, and I brought an extra battery for you guys, so this will probably be a longer video. I'm going to try to get some time lapses in there. Or maybe not time lapse, but at least something like. Because now all this snow, it can't sit here. It's gonna slunk into the actual house and just be problems. Oh, my grandfather. Don't need to make it completely down. I can make it flush. And that will do, but if a little bit sits there, it's not the end of the world, but as long as there's not a lot. So I also need to move this, or at least some of it, because if not, this is going to become a madness and a half. So if you can to roughly the same amount. Ja, Carl Christians snøfjerneservice, hva kan jeg hjelpe deg med? Katt! Og du, vi har den er i hvert fall en halvmeter her. Ja, det er snøstorm her i hvert fall, det. Ja. Ja. Nei, det snø her i går, så jeg var nå ute og måka her i går, og så var nå ute her i morges og måka. Det var nok ikke så mye som holdt på da, og så sånn senere på dagen så begynte rundt i 1-2-tida så begynte noe darne som det bare gjorde med etter, så det er noe, ja. Ja, det snøer nå, men jeg må nå bare fjerne det, fordi at blir det liggende i morgen det her, så kommer det her til å bli et helvete å få vekk. Ja, og så er det ikke det at snøen er ganske blød fra før av. Det som er på toppen er jo, holdt på å si, mjukt, men det som ligger nedre som 10 sankt, det er ganske bløtt. Vel, de beste av de ikke på jobb akkurat nå, så det skal nå vel egentlig være en brøytbil som skal komme og ta en del ut av dem, men jeg tror ikke de kommer for senere i kveld, og uansett så tar ikke de helt opp til trappa, for det får de jo ikke til med, kjære. Ja, vi gjør det. Greit. Yes, hei. Yes, hei. Hva er det for grenfader? Well, I'm getting in some training, that's for sure. I don't care much if the snow is there, because then the team can kind of get in there and swoop it out. As long as it's not playing balled up right here, then I'm pretty happy. Status update. We have almost cleaned out the entrance per se. I have that left. Took some of the snow off the roof, the ones that lay on the outer, to prevent it some. So if it gets much more on top of there, I'm gonna have to get a ladder and take it off, because, well, for now it's just fluffy snow. So you might get a little cold. It's not a safety hazard yet, but if it builds up enough and gets laying too long, the bottom is going to turn hard and turn into ice, and then it's a safety hazard again. So we don't really want to have that at the main entrance where multiple people, technically speaking, walk through every day. So I'm moving everything there. I'm going to move that a little bit out so a main removal crew can take that. And then I'm going to make a main road, just going out to the main road, so people can at least walk normally in and out here. Status update. We have wow. I still look funny. Well, status update again. The hammer hole gonna make a nice swing on this thing. But other than that, we got a nice little square road, slowly making its ass out to the main road. Although I need a wire broom or something. So yeah, we're getting there. Well, status update again. The hammer hole gonna make a nice swing on this thing. Other than that, we got a nice little square road, slowly making its ass out to the main road. This is not even, we haven't taken in the back even yet. I need a wire broom or something. Yes, I need a wire broom or something, my. So my fucking hood on my hoodie, on my jacket, is half-ass full of snow, but I suppose what can you do? So not really necessary, but here I am. I consider this fine enough. Well, I don't remember exactly where the last status update was, but GoPro, surprisingly enough, is still alive on the second battery. But there again, the second battery is completely new, and the first battery I've had a year, so I expected the second battery to be better and last a little longer, to be honest. And yeah, this entire shenanigan is looking like a snack, so we're getting there. Well, all right. Well, since I'm heading out to shop, I thought I would show you guys. But also, hopefully, I find that other battery. I'm out. Where the fuck? Not in the fuck did I eat my keys when I came in the door? I don't know where I eated my main keys, so these keys are these. I thought I would show you folks outside. Well, never mind, I know where I put my keys. They're still in the door. Although I'm gonna bring the gloves. So this is how it's looking out front, cleaned all the way out, so that's looking pretty great. That's how it's looking right there. And we got the back side, which is the side I'm gonna go out and the side I'm gonna come in. Because back here there is less snow and also a better way to walk. Can I just put on something real quick? Library, watch later. Sure. So yeah, this is how this heckle and a half is looking. So yeah. Oh, so now I'm gonna go to the store. Hopefully they still have the Campani, so I'm gonna buy a 6-pack of Coke and some snacks. Of course, walking this way, the wind is kind of blowing stuff everywhere, but well, at least now I'm gonna be walking, so it won't be too bad. Oh, so yeah. Oh, so now I'm gonna head out to the shop. I'm gonna buy some stuff per se, and then I'm gonna come back home, and then I'm gonna record Feed the Beast Horizons. Normally it's Wednesday today, so today it's gonna be Feed the Beast Horizons, and or well, Satisfactory then Feed the Beast Horizon, because Satisfactory broke, or my mods broke. For some reason the mod loader has an issue injecting into the Unreal Engine. I have no idea why, but it's something funky. It does not want a engine hook properly, so that's the thing. So yeah, and I'm just so tired. I don't want to rig up my stuff when I'm back home. That's also a thing. So yeah. Oh. So I'll see you guys when I'm back home. Well, we're back home, and well, yeah, it's time to go home, boy. Or well, eventually. And if we're back home, and I'm gonna call this the end of this video, because excuse me, I never asked for an emoji keyboard, mate. So yeah, so I'm gonna look through, well, I've looked through most of my YouTube, but I'm gonna look through some of this footage. I'm gonna snack a bit, and then I'm gonna record 4 episodes of Feed the Beast Horizons. So yeah. Oh God, Jesus. I blew you. Well, clean the lens, because you folks couldn't see crap. Still haven't found the second battery, so that second battery might be a goner, which is kind of a pain in the butt, but well, I suppose I just gotta buy another one. So yeah, so I'm gonna call this the end of this video, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed, the like would be greatly appreciated, because my back's gone. So yeah, check out links down below, and until further notice, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys later.